Thomas. What's the rush? Hi, Harold. I have an extra special pizza delivery. Now what was that order? Cheese, pepperoni, and marshmallows? Yeah. Let's get this pizza in the oven. Wow, that sounds like fun. Just be careful. There's a strong breeze today. Oh, Harold, how bad could it be? Oh, the pizza's ready. Let's load it up and set a timer for delivery. Bye, Harold. Special delivery coming through. Whoa, Harold was right. It's really breezy today. Hang on, pizza will be there in no time. Huh? Oh no, the pizza! Don't worry, pizza, I'm coming! Hi, Thomas. Sorry, Diesel. My pie is in the sky. What? La la la. Coming through, Carly. Huh? Thomas? Whoa! Thanks for the help.